Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert a chart in Microsoft Word. So if you want to insert a chart and also manage it, you have to just click on the insert and go to insert. Here you will see chart. Click on pie chart if you want to enter pie chart, and then you have to click on it, and here you will see a small window will open. Here in Excel you can edit the data here. Here I want to add here employee name. Okay, now the name of the employee here. Okay, and now you will see employee name is here. Now I want to add data labels. So what you have to do, you have to just select whole, okay, chart, then right click on add labels. Now label will be add. Okay, so like this you can insert a chart in Word. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.